Welcome people. Nightmare speaking right as well, isn't it? So just wanna make everybody know say yo in a studio I work on whole heap of things. Big things soon start pop. In a studio I work on a whole heap of song right now. I have a song on Street Vibes Rhythm named Everything Good. I have a song on Gangster City Rhythm named Cry. I have a song on Teaser Rhythm named Slow Wine. Song on World Premiere Rhythm, Death Row Rhythm. What if a song what come out, you see me say? I just drop a song with you on the sex happy rhythm. Yeah, girl come out. Song up on my Facebook, you know what I say? People in love how to go on. You see me I say? Big up artists like Villain. Big up artists like Mad Max. Big up artists like Touchless. You know what I say? Big up artists like Gaza. You see me I say? DJ Matrix, big up yourself. Starline Sound, big up yourself. The whole works, you see me I say? Everybody will do them thing, big up yourself. All the artists, big up yourself. You see me I say? So tomorrow now I'm in the studio with Jay Nicole. I work on a song named Dogging. You know what I say? Song them mad. She's a dub poet. She win dub poet of the year. You know what I say? With 2004, 2005. You know, she really successful. So look out for that, you know what I say? There are a whole heap of things in store, so you can find me upon YouTube. YouTube them say. You can find me on YouTube. Nightmare Mother Road. Capital letter no space. So you can find me on YouTube, you know what I say? And you can find me on Facebook as usual. NYTE space MARE. And then you can find me on Twitter, which is NYTE MAREE. You see me I say? So you can look for them things and all these things. Love tune to come out. No folks are going and don't know, so you have summer soon done, so I have to make something pop for summer, you see me? And so forth. So yeah, I'm just one of the people that know say yo, me have a whole lot of things in store and just keep looking out for the artists and keep support the artists, you know what I say? And all the artists them are doing them thing, want to do the thing. You know what I say? Can't waste talent. You understand me? The tune on the street guys with now, I'm going to the first verse, you know what I say? Tune sell off. Up inna the club car, me know say me hot. Watch the gyal them look how them round and fat. Me a real gangster, swagger in a black. See the dance floor, the gyal go swagger in a that. Back line, you see, shot by shot. After the club, you can swagger in me lap. Now watch how me spend car, the pocket them fat. And the NC a beat and champagne a pop. A N to the Y to the T to the E. No 40 south, they no mad like me. Me flow more sicker than HIV. Punchline them heavy like SUV. Some boy flow a minor STD. Me nah pre them while them a pre me. I show them here say me a celebrity. In the future later you will hear about me. You see me I say? Song the mad name, everything good by the street vibes with him. Song the sound drop. Song the sickly. You have song on Death Row Rhythm. And a mouth talk, a gun talk, bullet stop in your head like when me car park. When warfare go on, my soldiers a march with big brass gun like ship with a wharf. Tell some boys if you watch them talk, my shotgun cut you in a two half. Lick up on a double, make your blood get cold. That start run thick like barbecue sauce. Any boy think them bad, tell them cross this line. Gunshot bust them head when me clock this nine. The place light up when the artist shine. Me no feel no war, no time. When the war you done fool who you think I go lose. Come and hype up yourself who you think you approve. Try stop my food, you end up on the news. My talks leave you butter and bruise. You see me I say? So all heap of lyrics there enough for days, you know. And me say no. When you talk about war, me a the true definition. Me 3-star a chicky with your incision. Shot in your face with a gun when me grip on. When works in mash, me thugs ready for the mission. Listen, pussy me we empty the clip on. You want anybody with this me or me fam? Make drunk off fire to the sky and a pick on. Your dead body with them reported missing. The boy them dead, cause them go fuck with a villain. Nightmare aka Natty me a the dan. Shot in a eye, give something bad for your vision. Then throw your body in the chunk of me Nissan. Me cool like ice, all your grave me go piss on. Spit on, give your girl a cockfishy sit on. Me a man a rider like kind of the body man. You listen, you shoulda get a box with me big gun. How would the folks send you on a suicide mission? My youth a better you go slice all your wrist and kill yourself, cause right here you no belong. Lyrics we kick you like Zinedine Zidane. The war it's only just belong. You hear me say? You don't know say we have whole heap of lyrics for days, whole heap of tune for days, and we still have girl tune same way. Watch out. Girl tell me about how she a real cock rider. Make she Bangkok like the place in a China. Grinder, but you no play with vagina. Your pussy a the leader, me body a the climber. Change position and make we take it from the side. Yo, we never go no too much still, cause I don't know say. We want to come out to the show them and check out the thing. We want to log on the internet and check out the song them. You see me I say? So, mad things in store. Go and look out for the artists. And I be a mad things are going, you see me? So, and so forth. There was a song, one of my favorite songs. It's a conscious song. On the Gangster City rhythm, you know what I say? The song name Cry. Go and look a sneak preview, go like this. Every day I cry for the youth them we don't have no food. And every day I cry for the youth them we can't go to school. Cause it hurt me heart. It hurt me bad. It hurt me heart. Love pick me, wish them no born. First of all, you no listen to my clarity. Sometimes I dream them play out in a reality. Black, green and gold, so big up my nationality. Peace and love for all of solidarity. God bless the people, them a hate in a poverty. Earthquake take where the most of them salary. Enough life lost and whole heap of tragedy. Hope and pray say them find back liberty. If you want something in a life, go and go work feet. Don't trespass a next man turf feet. Don't left people a ball and a hurt feet. Just do it the right way if you a search feet, cause you have to have hope. And you have to can pray to the Most High. Lord, people don't give up. One day we a go smile and not cry. Every day I cry for the youth them we don't have no food. And every day I cry for the youth them we can't go to school. Cause it hurt me heart. Sang them at, sang their job soon, you know what I say? So let's go and support the thing. Come out to the show them. Keep on the post it on my Facebook. Mother Road. Don't tell us I can find it on YouTube, you know. Nightmare Mother Road, no space, capital letter. Facebook, NYTE space MARE. Twitter, NYTE MAREE. You know what I'm saying? So we keep on up to date. Don't know say what Mother Road. Big up Villain, Touchless, Mad Max. You know what I'm saying? The whole works. Big up on yourself. Blessed love and respect. Peace.